I'm Nick Bodway with Arbor Ferrum. We manufacture custom cabinets for the mid to higher end price point homes. Pretty much if it's something that can be drawn up, we have the capabilities to build it. And so our clients are focused on having a well-designed space, something that there's not fillers stuck in because there was a little bit of extra room, or when you step back and look at it, that it's nicely balanced, that it's thought out, that it's not, there's one cabinet here, a window here, and then a big gap here, and another cabinet over here. So all the little details, it starts with our design process, working with the builder's designer or the customer themselves to put together what is going to be something they're going to enjoy for a lifetime. So now having the CNC, not only are we able to, we were probably about 3 to 4 times quicker that as far as increase in production. It was a huge step forward for us here at Arbor Ferrum. The first word that comes to mind would be excellent. It's been a really strong relationship. The follow-through from the initial purchase was wonderful. Eric Markey, our sales rep, he was helpful in getting everything situated before the machine showed up. He was there the day the machine showed up, and then a day or two after to follow up to make sure that the training time with the Onsrod tech went well. And so the support has been just excellent. Yeah, that machine purchase has totally changed the growth potential for the company, as well as the creativeness that we're able to put into the cabinets. So it has been a huge step forward for our company in both working with Scarlett and the Onsrod machine as a whole. All throughout and even after our purchase, there was other competitors that had reached out and pushed and tried to pick up the sale, and it was something that they just couldn't offer that same level of support. The machine that they were offering may have been comparable, but knowing that when we needed parts, they were going to be coming either from across the country or out of the country. I've been nothing more than impressed with Scarlett and the level of support. If somebody asked, hey, I'm looking for any type of woodworking equipment, I wouldn't bat an eye in suggesting Scarlett to be somebody they really seriously look at. I would say that Scarlett has been hands down the best company I've worked with when it comes to repair of a machine, as well as extremely helpful in making the decision process. They're not overly pushy. They work to understand the company and what your needs are to make sure that you're into the right size machine. Been very pleased with Scarlett. Everybody that I've dealt with, whether it be the guys that handle their small tools purchases, Eric, our sales rep, even just the receptionist at the front door. I've been very pleased with the professionalism, the quality of service, the prompt responses, the fairness of pricing on stuff, everything. It's a kind of a storybook relationship with Scarlett for us.